If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Overwatch 2, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to help reduce stuttering and enhance performance. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers for your graphics card. This can help optimize performance and fix bugs that may cause stuttering. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Overwatch 2 and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and effects quality. Reducing these settings can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Enable VSync or frame rate limiting. In the settings menu, enable VSync or set a frame rate limit that matches your monitor's refresh rate. This can help prevent screen tearing and reduce stuttering by synchronizing the game's frame output with your display. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching the game, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like web browsers, streaming services, or other games can consume system resources and lead to performance issues in Overwatch 2. Step 5. Optimize system performance. Adjust your computer's power settings to high performance mode. This can be done through the control panel or system settings. Additionally, consider cleaning up your hard drive and ensuring there is enough free space, as low disk space can affect game performance. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Overwatch 2. Enjoy your gaming experience.